Yep, here. Turn left. Yep, yep. Yeah, there we go. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now we're in Prince Edward County. We're at Huff Estates Winery and Inn. So it's the Canada Days holiday and we booked a premier suite here. So with the living room area separated with the bedroom. So I'm going to give you a very quick room tour. Sorry, I was running. Okay. So I'm putting my luggage here. They have the iron board. And then they have another storage here, which I just checked with the luggage rack. And additional blanket if you want. And here, they have the coffee and espresso coffee machine with like 4 capsules. Okay. So right here is a decent sized living room. So my husband resting over there already. And then separate from the living room and the bedroom is this area. So with a TV that you can move back and forth. And then the fireplace for the winter time. And then very nicely, because it's the vineyard, for the welcome, they actually provide a bottle of the Huff Estate rosé wine to enjoy. So that was pretty good welcome gift. Okay, so back in the bedroom. This is a very good size king bedroom, very thick mattress for a county. And then let's go to the bathroom first. Okay, they have the jacuzzi bathroom, bathtub. Some amenities, as well as the stand-up shower and the towels. So they do not have the bathrobe, which is okay, which I don't expect that. Okay, so this is our lit-to backyard. Okay, with the dining table for 4 facing the inner courtyard. Okay, so and that's the mini fridge. That's nothing in here, but you can put stuff in here. So that's basically the room tour. So we have booked the 4 p.m. cellar experience, and which our 2 friends will join us, and then we'll have breakfast tomorrow morning, as well as the house tour to the vineyard, and with some tasting at 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll try to do that as well. Okay, so follow us and we'll show you a lot of things here at Huff Estates, wineries, and
experience.
Sure.
This is our Cuvée Peter, which is our sparkling white.
Okay.
All right. Guide through.
it's like a secret tour.
It is pretty much a secret tour. Yeah. big mound, a big hill, and a picnic table on top of that. So have you guys been here to the winery before? We're going to draw some Chardonnay from the barrel. So you're each going to bring a glass over.
Okay.
And then we're going to get you some, and then you can compare the unoaked Chardonnay with the oaked Chardonnay. A little more?
No, I'm good.
That's good. Anything else?
Sure.
It's a lovely pour. Look at the color of it.
I know.
It's brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move.
Take as many pictures as you like. This is not the Louvre Museum.
You got it all inside of you. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move.
So this is the Oeno Gallery, Art Gallery, which is at the same location of the Huff Estates Winery. And we got in for like a free indoor and outdoor art gallery, which is awesome. Okay, this is quite an extensive ground for the outdoor art gallery at Oeno.